Hi, and we are back. I am Kitting Guts. This is the bonus section of this video that I created, which was very simple. So sometimes, sorry, how rude. Sometimes you really don't have time to recreate a new look and you really need to get going. So I'm gonna try to just make this very simple look more, how do I call it, more nighttime and very updated and less simple. Just add a bit of drama and then we're good to go wherever. So stay tuned. So I just zoomed in a bit. We're gonna go in with the very same palette we used to create this look, but this time I'm gonna try go for this darker, it looks more gray than black, but I'm gonna use that color, just pick it up and put it on the corners of my eyes just to create a more smoky look. This is makeup advanced but it's very simple. Just the corner of your eyes. I'm just gonna put in a look, and you can see already it has that nice smoky eye effect. I'm just gonna try moving a bit closer, work that into my crease as well, try to blend it into my crease, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So yeah, that is nicely blended. I'm just gonna go in with that lighter brown, just mix it with a bit of that brick red color and just kind of blend out this dark area over here, moving quite on the inner side, just a little bit of both. And that's that. You can even add a little bit of pizzazz, and that little bit of pizzazz is going to be me adding this nice sparkly color over here. I don't know, it's a nice rose gold kind of color, so I'm gonna pick it up with this makeup eyeshadow application and just this is something else, okay? Just put it out there and kind of blend it towards the darker color, but I want most of the pigmentation right in the center, not right in the corner. I mean, I'm gonna do the very same thing. This eye, it's a very lovely color. Thank you again, Leah, for this palette. It is amazing, mate. And then just work it out like that, and already there is so much drama happening. I think I'm gonna go in with this gold for the inner corners because we are updating this look to the max. So on the inner corners of my eye, and just work it out a bit. Inner corners again, working it out. work it out. Work out that nice shimmer, and we are done with this look. We can go partying. So this was just the bonus section of this look on how to just update your plain, very quiet, basic look into a very updated night look, or like just an extra pizzazz if you're going somewhere different and you want a change of outfit but you can't really get your makeup done. So this is it. Thank you. I hope you really enjoyed this bonus section, and that it works out for you the next time you cannot redo your makeup. So thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel, Kitting guys, and onto my Instagram, and keep on giving me those thumbs up. Thank you.